How to fix charging auto disconnect problem on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to fix charging auto disconnect problem on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Check your adapter and cable. Guys, first of all, make sure that the cable or adapter you are using is original or from a good company. Second, make sure that your cable is not damaged anywhere. Usually this problem occurs due to damage to the edges of the cable. Try charging the other iPhone with your charger once. If the other iPhone charges, there is no problem with your cable and adapter. The problem may be with your iPhone. Method 2. Clean your iPhone charging port. Guys, sometimes dust accumulates in the iPhone charging port, due to which the iPhones either stop charging or starts having connect and disconnect issues. So clean your iPhone charging port once with the soft brush and petrol. Method 3. Reboot your device. To reboot the iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears, then release the button. Method 4. Make sure your iPhone software is up to date. So guys, if your problem is not resolved after trying these methods, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. For that, first launch the settings application. Now swipe down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Here, make sure you are using the latest version of iOS. If a new update is showing up here, update it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.